Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham McHenry. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel in McHenry, Illinois is located off Highway 31. It offers a daily breakfast, on-site laundry facilities and free Wi-Fi. All rooms have cable TV with HBO movie channels. The simply styled rooms offer a small seating area and a telephone. A private bathroom is also provided and select rooms at McHenry Super 8 have a work desk. Moraine Hills is 2.5 miles from the Super 8 McHenry. The Volo Auto Museum is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.